Yeah, look at that.
They just put it. Is it the L series replacement?
Yeah, 8 it's not basically. I'm suing you under the Privacy Act of 1987.
I'm recording in public, so you can.
And I've advised you, and you didn't actually tell us that you're recording, and I've advised you I don't want to record it.
Get the fuck out.
Okay.
Look at that! Oh, shit! Feel the car drive.
That's the way to do it. Shut up, you fucking.
Shut up, little fucking dog.
A barbecue. Cunt.
Bill.
Pretty handsome woman. How does it go, Chris?
I just find a park. So
Just get a park or just go to the beach closest to the park. Beach is the fucking beach. Beach here, beach there, beach there, beach.
there's a beach everywhere.
Fucking beach. There's a park. Park there.
Oh, that's enough talking from Chris for the rest of the week. Oh shit, that's the cops.
He's got weed. What?
Well, that was a good feed, boys. What do you reckon?
Shut up, drive.
Shall I go Marion Road or go...
Tapless.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, Adam! Oh, little hat! You can be a prostitute. Oh my fucking god.
Taliban. I reckon, ooh, I've got some super glue in the
I've got
car.
some chewing gum.
Yeah.
So when are you getting a train here?
You still got it in your white car?
Once more?
Alright, do it now.